In this episode, you're gonna know exactly which one you choose and which one is best for you. And even if you have these three fragrances, House Black and Fire and Elixir, how to use them in all time of the year. I am Majid. I love all kinds of fragrances and I love to share what I know with you. Stay tuned. Beginning with Hawas Black for him as the first release for these three fragrances. This one was produced in 2024 as one of the greatest clones for Nishani Hashivat when I smell it in the first time. Now it's been a year since I buy Hawas for him Black. I found and I released that the same line, the same DNA as Nishani Hashivat. You're gonna smell here that wax moss from the opening till the dry down with some woods, as this fragrance is an aromatic, also fruity. There is in the opening grapefruit, there is pineapple, there is lemon, but when this one dry totally, you're gonna smell a lot of fruits and it's dry on wax moss. So with 23 American dollar, you have strong projection, strong performance. Hawas Black for him from my side. I think this is a good investment in terms of if you want fragrance for all time of the year and for all occasions. Instead, if it been professional or casual moments, you're gonna use or you can use Hawas Black for him. And also if you are over 18 years old until 65 years old, definitely this is fit you and you can use it easily at any situation. And this is the powerful thing for Hawas Black for him. The second release in the same year in 2024, Hawas Elixir. The first moment when you smell Hawas Elixir, you feel like this is a gourmand, sweet fragrance. And to be honest with you, this is, I think, 95% clone to Jean Paul Gaultier, the Elixir. It's too close. You're gonna smell a lot of mint in the opening. It's obvious. And the vanilla with their sweetness gonna stick with you till the dry down, also with the sweetness of tonka beans. What I can say here, that if you want fragrance only for clubbing moments, for night times, for cool season, also if you are between 18 and 40 years old, this is perfect on you. And be careful, don't use it in the professional occasions, not as Hawas for him Black. So this one, it's too close, but if you use it in the best moment at nighttime and in the clubbing situations or happy situations, if you going out in casual moments with your friend, this one gonna be perfect on you. Also the projection and sillage in Hawas Elixir is outstanding. The third release, not in the same year, but in 2025, maybe 1 year later, we see Hawas Fire. In the first time when I smell Hawas Fire, I say I made a good investment. Believe me, this is a modern smell. You're gonna smell here a lot of jasmine, Egyptian, lot of amber, lot of, you're gonna feel that sweetness, but the sweetness becoming from the white florals. I think that the clarissage that you're gonna smell it from the opening till the dry down, who make it aromatic and aquatic also, because there is some aquatic notes. So the clarissage make it so beautiful. I think this is a great investment. This one, it's gonna cost you around 25 to 26 American dollar. I forgot to tell you the price about Elixir. It's 38 American dollar. But if you buy Hawas Fire, don't use it at any situation, because this one is fit only weddings, some special occasions. You know what I'm saying here. So Hawas Fire not as these fragrances. Hawas Fire not versatile as the black Hawas Black. It's not versatile, but only for certain occasions, but you can use it at all time of the year, not as elixir only for the cold situations. If I can say only 2 words for every fragrance of this tree, I can say Hawas Black is the versatile fragrance. For the elixir, this is a clubbing fragrance. And the Hawas Fire is the fragrance for the special moments. So my friend, if you reach this section, now you can choose which one fits to you. And also, if you get this tree, now you know exactly when to use these fragrances. I also will be happy if you tell me in comments which one it's perfect for you. Thank you.